See, only if people, those who have very coarse and thick hair, especially towards the south of India, when we go, we see people have very coarse and thick hair, or you see the African hair, because it's very unruly hair. To control that kind of hair, that's what the process they do is like, they have 80% dried hair, damp hair that we call it, and then they apply the oil, because then it is very easy for them to tie it up. The idea is to tie it tightly. So that's why they do it. But if you are living, if you talk about the weather conditions where we are staying and all, and we are applying an oil and then we are tying our hair, it may not go very well for us. Then you'll start having itching, or then the dust settling in over there. So my suggestion is like, whenever I always talk about the pH, we have to understand the pH level of our skin, of our scalp. Also, we have acidic conditions, we have alkaline conditions. So whenever we are using a shampoo or a conditioner, one is acidic and one is alkaline, so we have to apply a little bit of an oil. Why I'm saying? Because oil is giving a protection layer to your hair. It's any kind of a shampoo which is applied, it will not be harsh on your hair or on your scalp. Another thing which I want to tell, I was talking to one of you over here on the forum, that whenever we are using a shampoo, we mix up our purchase with the condition of our hair or the scalp. We say that we have oily hair. Hair will not be oily. It will be the scalp which is either oily or dry or flaky dandruff or the oily dandruff. So you have to choose your shampoo according to your hair scalp. So whatever kind of a scalp you have, if you have oily scalp, please go ahead with the shampoo which is for the oily scalp. Okay. And then it isn't scrubbing for the scalp in a very quick, just moving your hand from on your hair. That's it. You don't have to scrub your hair length a lot. That is something which is very, very harsh for your hair, right? So this is one thing you should be keeping in mind. Yes, please. Ritika, you were saying something?
Ma'am, I have a question, a follow-up
Mm-hmm.
question to the question that you just answered. You said that oiling is good for taking care of our hair, right? So, do you
Mm-hmm.
suggest to steam our hair after oiling? I
Definitely,
used to do that earlier.
definitely. If you would have not taken up that question, I would have had given this as a tip that, the best thing is, whenever, what does the steam do? Do we know what does the steam do? So when we take a steam on our face, it opens the pore on our skin, right? So that the penetration of the product, but whenever we are doing a facial or we are doing a cleanup, this is a part of a cleaning stage where we are doing a steam and then we are doing an extraction and then we are applying the product, so that the process of cleaning is done and then the penetration of the product is better on the skin. Similarly for our hair also, whenever we are applying an oil, see, right now the cuticles are not open, and when I'm applying the oil also, the cuticles are not open, right? But I've applied the oil and then I'm giving a steam. Maybe I'm how do I give the steam? Either I have a steamer at home, or I make a hot towel for myself. I dip it in a hot water and I just twist it. I twist it like this and just squeeze it. And then I make a turban for myself, not more than 3 to 4 minutes. 3 minutes is sufficient enough. So that steam, what is it doing? It helping the absorption of the oil better on my hair length. You will see religiously, if you are doing it for 2 to 3 weeks, there is an absolute change on your hair texture. You would see your hair look more healthier and shinier, and styling becomes very easy. When I have very unruly hair, the styling is always very, very difficult. And then the styling doesn't last for long. The curls won't stay for longer. But if my hair have the strength, it will last for longer also.
Correct. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Subhashri was asking one question earlier about the back combing. So, whenever you're doing a back combing, the best detangler is our fingers, the best detangler. So, whenever you do a back combing, my idea, my suggestion is like, twist your hair down, your hair, throw it down, and then just start doing like this, detangling. Similarly, what Imran just told you is like, start from the towards the end, not closer to the scalp. Go towards the end. From further you will start, you will see it is very, very easy for you to detangle your hair.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for this amazing session. I also have another question to ask. Actually, I wanted to know if we want to make that hairstyle stay longer, but naturally by using natural ingredients, what would that be? Can you suggest any product?
What kind of a hairstyle you would want to hold for longer?
Um,
Curls or
Especially,
straight?
I have a trouble with straight hair. So, because I have wavy hair naturally, my straight hair doesn't stay for a longer time. So, yeah, there.
Again, the very simple tip is like as soon you wash your hair, that is the best time to decide the styling for your hair. You know, from the wet to the drying stage. So whatever treatment you would give to your hair at that very point, it will behave like that. So if you wash your hair, right, and after washing your hair, you are giving a paddle brush dry. Paddle brush, even if normally also when you are combing your hair, I always suggest that go for paddle brush if you prefer flatter hair, straighter hair. That is something which will help to ease the frizz from your hair. And then with the help of a dryer, when you are giving a mild dry, the more heat you give, the more limpier the hair will become. The mild hair heat is always good for your hair. And the paddle brush application. Secondly, the direction of the dryer. If I'm giving like this, this is the nozzle of my dryer, it will blast away my hair. It will fly away, right? I have to have an angle like this, slant, coming from that side to this. So it is taking it flatter towards down. It is not making it fly away. So the direction, which direction am I taking, that's very important for us. Secondly, you said that you don't have much of a volume. So what you can play around with your hair for the volume is like, always for you, the best part is like Imran was demonstrating right now for that girl. He told her to put her hair, throw her hair down. So similarly, throw your hair down and just do a lot of, playing with the ring like this, and then give the dryer upside down. When you are giving a dry blast to that and throw your hair back again, you would see there is a natural bounce which has come over there.
All right, ma'am. Thank you. That was really helpful.
Welcome.
Hi, ma'am. I have a question.
Hi, Manya.
First of all, you're looking lovely today. And
Thank
I have
you.
a question related. You're welcome. I have a question because my hair has like lots of volume, like completely from village side. So I have very drier curls, proper curls, but drier side. So I never maintain those look because that looks really, whenever I wash my hair and after drying, it's like this,
Okay.
completely out of my hand, like unmanageable.
Okay.
Kushi
So,
has
Badia,
a sorry, please go ahead.
sorry, my question will come in between because, from your question only, I will give you the tip. So, Manya, do you brush your hair when they are wet, or they are
No,
absolutely dry, then you brush your hair, or you just leave
yes.
them like that?
I don't brush my hair while it's like wet. I brush my hair after it dries, like naturally air dry.
Okay. So one thing you must have had noticed when Imran was demonstrating the curls, after he finished the tongue, the hair were tied in the tongue, right? The minute he brushed it, it opened and it kind of flared. So similarly for your hair, for anybody on the forum over here who's got big volume or have got coarse hair or have got naturally wavy hair, all of us, we do have tendency to have the natural wavy hair. If we are brushing it when it's dry, you will see it is flying away. And is my internet okay? Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now suggestion for you, Manya, if you want to style your hair, if you are blessed with the curly hair and I can see good volume, good lustrous hair, your hair shine can be seen from here, right? So what you can do, you can get the diffuser. Have you heard of diffuser? There is a nozzle which is fit in front of the dryer. So in the hair dryer, there is a round diffuser which comes especially for the curly hair. So the tip for you over here is like whenever you have wet hair, you're not drying it with the brush, paddle brush, anything. You're leaving your hair naturally the way it is. It's just that you're holding the length of your hair and putting it on the diffuser. Like a Maggie cup, you're keeping it
Yeah.
on the diffuser. And then you're just giving, scrunch to it. This is called the scrunching. Any product that you apply for yourself, you can apply mousse also, styling mousse, so that it holds the curls well for you. And you're scrunching it. The more you scrunch, jitne wet hair mein you would be scrunching your hair, the better curls you would be getting. It will look more enhanced and more styled. I mean, I'm someone who have just got like average wavy hair. But what happens whenever I'm in a mood to have this crunch, I apply the mousse for myself on the entire hair length, and then I start scrunching it and give a little, diffuser. That gives amazing styling, and then you're ready to go. It takes not more than 15 minutes, and then
But
you're good to.
I'm so sorry.
No worries.
Isn't it too chemical on hair, mousse, then hairspray, and the heat? Like, it's like continuously sari cheeze chemicals ho gayi, even though which is
No,
heat is not good for hair.
heat. I'm not saying go on the top heat. You have to keep the medium heat for your hair diffuser. Again, as I said, when your hair are wet, you have to scrunch your hair. Now it completely depends on you. If you have to get like a proper defined look, you can go ahead with the diffuser, use that. Otherwise, leave the diffuser with your natural hair, start scrunching it with the product. But you would need the product to hold it. And if at all you're at home only and you just want to try how it looks, don't use the serum at all, because serum will give the silkier look. It will not bind the hair together. Idea is to bind the hair together. Your natural washed hair will bind together. The serum will, give it more silkier look, more flow. It is good for, straighter hair. Or naturally, we are keeping it straight, or natural texture we are leaving it with. But if you are talking about the curls, mousse is something which helps.
I'm sorry,
a lot. And
Monica, your screen has frozen.
Is it frozen for all? Mani,
Yeah.
was that going smooth with you, or did you have the interruption in between?
I can hear your voice, but I can't see you. It's like frozen. Now it's a little bit good.
Yeah. We heard you, but your screen was frozen.
Okay. I'm
Yeah.
freezing too. It's cold. Okay. So is it better now, Kesha?
Yes, it's better. Yeah, Monica.
Okay. Okay. So Mania, did it solve your question?
Yeah, just the last question. I'm so sorry.
No worries, please.
मेरे बाल काफी dry हैं. So I just want to, like, currently I have very soft, कहीं भी उल्टे सीधे dryer side पे नहीं है, but it's because I have styled it with serum and the curler. But I want proper soft hair, even though with curls. Like curls के साथ भी मेरे बाल मेरे soft होने चाहिए कि जब मैं उसको touch करूँ, it's not dry.
Curly hair should always be having one product, which is leave-on conditioner. You must always have that on your hair. One thing, girls are, very finicky about cutting their hair. They don't want to cut their hair. Thumb rule: the more you trim your hair, the faster the growth would be. You have to get the trimming done. Only just the tips removed. The more you oil your hair, the better the growth would be. The more you steam, towel steam with the oil you would give to your hair, that will help and increase the circulation and promote hair growth for you guys. And the more you condition your hair, again, what we do, we are doing a quick shampoo and then we are applying a conditioner, we're rinsing it off. We are not even leaving it for more than 3 to 4 minutes. And winter time, oh God, who have the guts to stand with the conditioner and leave it on? So leave-on conditioner is something which is advisable for you, Mania. You should do that. And even what you can do when you're applying a conditioner, give a hot towel at that time also. So
Yes.
you will see there is a lot of difference when you apply the conditioner and you're leaving your hair on. That is something which helps a lot.
Thank you so much for the answers, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Most welcome.
Imran, you can take over and please start.
Hi, I'm again. So first look is beach wave and the second look is crown braid. It is also very in, right? Crown braid बहुत पॉपुलर है, वो भी वेव के साथ ही होता है. जैसे कि मेरे मॉडल के बाल स्ट्रेट हैं, तो इसके अंदर वी कैन गो फॉर अ लिटिल बिट टर्न. अगर किसी का बाल स्ट्रेट है तो वो अपने बालों में हल्का सा टर्न देगा, जैसे कि स्लाइड वेव. जो मैंने पहले बीच वेव करा वो वाला चीज नहीं देना है, जस्ट स्लाइड मूवमेंट ऑन दी हेयर. देन यू कैन गो फॉर ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न. राइट. अब जैसे कि ये मॉडल है, इनका बाल स्ट्रेट है, so I'll do a little bit wave with the help of this much of white tong, the big tong. Right. You don't use a medium wala tong. So I'm putting a bit of 1 pump of serum as a heat protector, starting from the underneath and then towards top. If the hair is straight, you can take a thick section in vertical, not a horizontal. Divide it into two. And start the tong.
Imran, can you also just simultaneously describe this step, how you're curling it, and what is the wand that you're using in terms
I'm
of
taking a vertical section, divided into a two, and we are using a tong, the same technique जो हमने previously we can do, the vertical tong, but the tong size is bigger than the earlier. सेम वे मैसी वेव में जो करा था, जो आपका बीच वेव बनाया था, बीच वेव में हमने एंड्स को पोक करा था, बट इन दिस केस वी आर टर्न द एंड्स एज वेल.
So
And
usually we
starting
have
from
three sizes of the tongs, small, medium, and large. So previously he had used the medium size of the tong. This is the large one. So for the
this is the
bigger
last
and
one,
more
right?
natural.
Yes, yes, yes. सेम टेक्निक, राइट हैंड का बैकवर्ड, इस साइड से लेफ्ट हैंड का बैकवर्ड, कोई इनवर्ड नहीं आना. Use heat protector all the time when you do the any kind of heating product, heating element, blow dry, iron, tong, crimping, anything. Please put heat protector. और कोई भी आप हीटिंग यूज करते हो, बहुत देर तक कहीं पर भी होल्ड नहीं करना है, वेरी फास्ट, otherwise your hair become very sensitized.
Sir, I have a question. सर आप किस तरह से वॉन्ड में हेयर को रैप कर रहे हैं, एक बार क्लोजली दिखा सकते हैं प्लीज?
Sorry?
आप इस वॉन्ड के अंदर कैसे हेयर को रैप कर रहे हैं वो जरा दिखा सकते हैं, बिकॉज आई फाइंड इट वेरी कंफ्यूजिंग. मेरा लेफ्ट साइड हो जाता है बट राइट साइड में आई फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट. तो थोड़ा धीरे से अगर आप मुझे दिखाएं कि हेयर को कैसे आप थोड़ा ऐसे.
अभी मैं लेफ्ट साइड ही कर रहा हूँ, ये इजी होता है करने के लिए बिकॉज इसमें टोंग का पॉइंट ऊपर रहता है, राइट? तो इजीली इसमें टोंग जाता है और ट्विस्ट हो जाता है. लेफ्ट साइड राइट साइड में प्रॉब्लम आती है, राइट?
यस सर, राइट साइड में इशू होता है, राइट.
हाँ, मैं उसका जब मैं राइट साइड में जाऊंगा तो डेफिनेटली आई विल शो यू कि कैसे रखना है टोंग. ओके
ओके ओके, थैंक यू.
Does anyone else have a question here pertaining to the look that Imran's creating right now? If you guys have, just raise your hands, please. Okay, Titiksha, you may please ask your question.
Hello, sir. I would like to ask that why should we hold the tongue upside down on the other side?
upside down and the other side. Hello?
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you repeat again, please?
Yes, sir. Like you said, like on the right hand side.
Right side.
Yeah. So you hold the wand straight, but on the other side, you asked us to hold it upside down. So
I'm
why is that?
always using a vertical way. If I'm doing on the left side, so my tip of the tongue is upwards. If I'm doing a right side, my tongue tip is completely down. So you will get the same look of both sides. Otherwise, most of the time क्या होता है, जो अभी पहले भी क्वेश्चन उन्होंने पूछा है, जब हम ऐसे tongue करेंगे तो my hand movement is just like this.
All right.
Right? So उसमें क्या होगा, जो curl होगा, it completely falling on your face.
All right.
Because it's turned like this way, right? But अगर हम इसको ऐसे रखते हैं, so we are turning like this way, on the backward, on the knee पे, आप पीछे की साइड पे जाते हैं हम लोग, तो उससे क्या होगा, जो आपका वेव होगा, वो आपके फेस फ्रेमिंग को खोल देगा, और आपके बाल completely on back side and wave is there.
All right. So basically, the
Left
motive is to curl away from the hair, away from the face. I'm sorry.
Yes.
All right, got it. Thank you so much.
Ananya, please go ahead and ask your question.
So, sir, I tend to burn my hand while putting the ends of my hair on the curler because I don't know the proper technique to put the ends. So when I put the end on the curler, I tend to put my finger also with it because I'm not well versed with curling my hair.
You're using a hair curler machine or you're using a tongue?
I'm using this tongue.
So उसके अंदर finger कैसे जाए?
Like if I wrap it ऐसे, तो यहाँ पे last पे put करने में, I usually put my finger also with this. Hi, I think Ursa has frozen.
I will take it over, Ananya. So if you see, press that, that lever of the tongue, show it to me. It opens. Yes. Now take a hair section, glide it down straight. No, don't wrap it. Just hold it like this, clutch it, and pull it straight till the end. Pull it. No, don't wrap it. Hold the hair length and pull it till the end.
Okay.
Yeah, pull it till the end. Till the end. Come till the end. Hair end. Reach till the, not to the scalp, beta, to the end, hair end.
Like this?
Yeah. Come towards the tip of the hair. Don't loosen it. You're doing this. Don't do this.
Okay.
You just clutch your hair slide it down to the tip, and then you roll it back.
Oh my God, I have never realized this. Thank you so much.
Perfect, right?
Oh my God. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. I never managed to do this. Thank you.
It was
This
simple.
was very helpful to me as well because I'm very bad at curling my hair.
No,
This
because
really
with
helped
the
me a
curler,
lot.
that's the point of having a clutch over there. That you clutch it, slide it to the tip, roll it back, leave it open, and when you are trying to open your hair, just untangle like this. Don't pull it. Untangle.
I also had another question
Leave it like
actually.
this.
So these two looks were curl looks. So do you recommend using rollers sometimes, or we should stick to curlers only?
You can use the rollers. See, generally what happens with the rollers, it gives more of a volume, more of a bouncy look.
Mhm.
It totally depends. Again, when we are talking about the styling of the hair and all, we have to keep in mind the kind of a dress or the outfit that we are carrying, or the kind of an event we are heading to. Is it an evening or is it an outdoors function? What kind of a function is it? Completely depends on your attire as well.
Mhm.
Okay, so you can choose on to people, those who have very limp hair, for them suggested is to go ahead with the rollers because that will help to give a lot of volume and a bounce to the hair. People having a lot of volume and heavy thick hair, coarse hair, unruly hair, for them it's always suggested to go in for iron curls. We can do curls with the iron also if you don't have a tong something with you. And again, why do we have three different sizes of the tongs or the rollers? Is like the kind of a look we want to create with that, right? So if you want to have very natural, just very slight waves, then you can go for the biggest tong, the large size, that what Imran is demonstrating right now. You can go ahead with that. If you need a little precise look and you don't want to look, overdone, because curls earlier, it used to be very fixed, done up look. So these days, the done up is not there. It has to be there, just right there, but not too made up kind of a look. 80s or 90s was the era when you used to have a lot of step cuts and then have that proper blow dried out curls.
Yeah.
So now that's not there. It's just about the waves. So those who have the waves, you are blessed. You just need to know the correct kind of a product, correct kind of a care, and correct kind of a styling for yourself. Those who have fine texture of their hair, they need to create volume on their hair. So for volume, best is crimper. You go ahead with the crimper, or you go ahead with the waver. There are waver machines also, or you can create with this. So that is the best way for you. Crimp look amazing. Crimps are back again in fashion. People are using crimp and fine tong. Fine tong curls are also back again in fashion. So people are doing that. And the waves. There are the wave machines also. It's like three divisions. So it gets like an S bend. So it's called an S bend waver. So you just have to place your hair in between that and hold it and leave it just like that. So it just gives a natural wave to your hair. So that's how you can deal with it.
Great. Thank you.
I have a question actually. I miss talking about all of these heating products since all of us are doing so much styling and heating to our hair. I actually wanted to ask you, what are some services that you recommend at VLCC that we all can go for to reverse the damage?
Oh, there's a huge list of services, Karuna, that we offer at VLCC. Right from conditioning treatment to the semi-permanent and the permanent solutions that we offer over there. You can go in for hair Botox, you can go for fiber build, you can go for Olaplex, you can go for some of the hair spa treatments that we have with us. And I'll definitely be taking Imran's help also, because he's someone who's so good with suggesting the treatments also, so he can name a few treatments that we have. Like, last time also when I was with a few of you, I said over the forum when we are talking, I'm not able to see the hair texture and the scalp condition. So when you visit the expert at VLCC, they have a better look to your scalp, and then accordingly they suggest, because we have to see the elasticity of the hair also. The way to check your hair elasticity is to pull your hair and see how long it stretches. It comes here, or it breaks at this level. If you have a good elasticity, then they can work on the scalp or for you. If at all this elasticity is very poor, then we might have to work for you on the scalp and on the hair length as well. So lot many treatments are there. Few I named, few you can, Imran, if you can please help suggest us the treatments that we can guide these girls.
Thank you so much for answering my question. Thank you.
Ma'am, I have a question. Hello.
Aruna, hi.
Yes, ma'am. Like, is there any treatment for thin hair? Like, I have very thin hair. So it's very difficult to manage or give a volume to these hair. So is there any treatment in VLCC for my type of hair? Like, it can help me.
Definitely. Go ahead with hair Botox that we have. You can do that. Another treatment that we have for hair regrowth is Crescina. You can write down the name of it. It's Crescina. This is something which is very helpful if you have a hair thinning problem. Particularly for the thinning problem, this is the treatment that we offer. Individual to individual, the results will vary because all of us have our own immunity levels. So this is working as per individual's body, how it is supporting to it. You may get immediate results or you may get little slow result, but definitely results are there. 2 to 3 sessions, you start seeing the difference on your hair.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome.
Ma'am, I have a question. Go ahead.
Amrita, I'm not able to see you. Yes, I can see you.
So thank you so much for this session actually, and it's really helpful. So I just wanted to know that I have a lot of split ends because now that we have to use a lot of heat products in our hair, so it's really prone to damage. So I have a lot of split ends in my in the end, and it's really prone to breakage. So do you have any services that I can go for to treat the split ends? And I have straightened my hair also, like permanent straight. So it's already so damaged. So I just need to know if there are any services so that it can help my split ends breakage.
Definitely, Amrita. We do have the services for the same, but there are two questions that I would want to ask you is you said you have done the permanent straightening for yourself. Have you gone in for a rebounding?
No, I have been going for rebounding. My new hair is coming out. It's till here. So I have done smoothing actually. So it's not that straight, but it's it has damaged.
Smoothing is smoothed out the hair curls or waves. It takes away the waves away from the hair. When was the last you had done the smoothing?
Last year, December.
Last year, December. So see, understand, when we talk about smoothing or we talk about hair keratin treatment or we talk about the hair rebonding, the difference is with the rebonding, it stays on your hair length. It doesn't go away. It's the fresh hair that you get is your own natural texture. So that's when with the straightening, people see a variation between the fresh growth from the root whenever there's a slight wave, whereas the rest of the length is absolutely straight or pokey straight. Coming to smoothing or a keratin treatment. Keratin would give little more, smoother look than the smoothing. Smoothing would help you to ease out the waves from the hair. So what happens with keratin and with the smoothing, the more you washing your hair, the product is washing off. It is actually the keratin or the smoothing is depositing it. Understand, if you see a wall, like a concrete wall, and we have to put cement over there to fix the bricks, right? So similarly, what we are doing in keratin or smoothing, we are filling up the open cuticles. We are filling up the breakages over there. So when you are using a shampoo or a conditioner, which is not sulfate free, it is taking away the effect more faster from your hair. So it's been a year for you when you had done your last smoothing treatment. So the treatment effect is gone. It's not there. Now what is happening? You're doing more frequent styling and all. So I really don't know when was the last time you had done a deep conditioning for yourself, when you had done the oiling for your hair, and even when you had done the trim for your hair. So as I said that we girls, we become very conservative about you know, when it comes for a haircut, we go to the salon and we say haircut, but bhaiya chote mat karna. That's a normal thing. So the hairdressers say that, okay, without doing a cut, how do I show a change of a style? So at least you have to let go of minimum 2 inch of hair length. So if you let go of the 2 inch hair length, it's a dead keratin. It has to go away from there. You know, it is taking away the maximum nutrients from your hair, from your scalp, and it's not giving any result. It has to go away for your hair to grow faster. Right. So the idea is that you have to go in for the deep conditioning treatment for yourself, Amrita. You have to visit to the nearest center. If you have, where do you stay?
Ma'am, I stay in Guwahati, Assam.
Guwahati. We do have a center over there, so you can visit. It will be a little far for you, but you can visit over there. But you can get the treatments done. There are the treatment hair botox, as I said. We have other conditioning treatments also. So when we look at your hair length, we will be able to guide you better. But in the meanwhile, start oiling your hair. Hot oil is something which is suggested, and steam to the hair.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, before shampooing.
Yeah.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am. I had a question.
Hey, Supriya, how are you?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm good. How are you?
Very good, thank you. Please tell me.
Yes, ma'am. So I was suggested to get mesotherapy or PRP done. Would you recommend it? Because
Absolutely. See, what is PRP? Do we first understand the PRP concept?
I did a little bit. I mean, they were telling me to put vitamins or minerals in my roots or something. It sounded really scary.
PRP is platelet-rich plasma, right? So we draw a very small quantity of your blood, and then we separate the plasma from it, and then again it is applied back again on our scalp. And we are using micro needling. It's called a derma roller also. You hardly feel anything on your scalp. So it is a stimulation, scalp stimulation. So whenever we say scalp stimulation or a rejuvenation, it is completely about improving the blood circulation and allowing the flow of oxygen, with the blood. Any kind of a rubbing is happening on your, even if you do this, you will feel that there is a heat generated. So if you do this, there's a heat generated. If we rub our skin and all, there's a heat generated. So, oxygen run along with our blood in our bloodstream. Similarly, for the scalp, when we are doing a PRP treatment or mesoscalp therapy treatment, we are stimulating your hair follicles. We are improving the blood circulation. So a good plasma is gone onto a defined area. I always give this example to people who are not able to understand what plasma can do to us. So we have all heard about this fever called dengue or dengue, right? So what happens in that? Platelet count goes down for a person. So if at all a person is suffering from a dengue fever, that person is suggested to get the plasma transfer. So third person, anybody who is of the same blood group, donates the plasma, and 1 unit or 2 unit of a plasma is given to the person, right? So imagine that 1 unit of a plasma of a third person given to the person who's suffering from the fever helps so much that that person heals, and start building plasma again in the body. So in the case of PRP, it's my own plasma, my own blood, my own plasma. So there's nothing artificial or nothing outside which is taken, and then it is given on a specified area, on the crown, on the scalp, wherever I feel. It is been put over there with the help of the micro needling. So imagine the kind of good it must be doing to us. So plasma is full of nutrients. It is very good. You must read about it, and it helps promote our hair growth. And beautiful results are there. People actually see, in 3 months, you see the hair growth. Effect starts from the day one, but to see hair coming and you can actually see the hair, it takes about 3 months for you to see the result over there. But it is, go ahead with that, Supriya. If it has been suggested to you, close your eyes and go ahead with that. It's only going to be doing a lot good to you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, sure.
Good morning, ma'am. I had a question.
Hi, how are you, Raina?
I'm very well, ma'am. How are you? And I love how sleek your bun is. I could never get my bun to look like that. So
So there's a secret to it. I'm going to be telling you guys.
please,
So
please
this is
tell us.
so this is one of the tips. So last minute disaster. If at all you have some disasters. So I had a last minute disaster that there was absolutely no electricity for me to style my hair, and I had absolutely wet hair, dripping hair, and I had to come in the forum with you guys. So this is the last minute fix for the meeting. So you have to take a quick call. That's what I say. When you are fixed with, what if I don't have a curler with me? If I don't have a dryer with me? What if I have everything and I don't have an electricity supply with me? So this is something that you can do to yourself. Absolutely, just take your hair, make it tight, and put a ruffle band. I always suggest a ruffle because ruffle is always a little thicker. So make a ponytail, high ponytail, and just wrap it and pin it up. Good to go. No hassles, but make
It
sure
looks
that there's no
absolutely
hassle.
amazing on you. So, ma'am, my question is that in my VLCC consultation, I was suggested to get a deep conditioning treatment done, which you also mentioned in a previous answer. So, I just wanted to know more about it, how it's done, what products are used, and how it can help, and also how long before I can see the results in my hair.
Okay, so whenever we are doing the deep conditioning treatment, the effect or the result is immediate. The conditioners, deep conditioning treatment, the products that is used over here is to feel good factor, immediate factor that you get. But if at all you are looking for a longer run fix, there are the treatments. So then we do never recommend you only go ahead with the deep conditioning treatment that we have over there. For the product knowledge, definitely I will be taking Imran's help over here because he's an expert on the product. But let me just sum up my answer over here by saying that the deep conditioning treatment is actually helping you to nourish the hair length, nothing to do with the scalp. So the treatment is to focus more on your scalp, not much to do your length. Obviously, when we are washing hair, conditioning hair, it will be a part of it. But in the treatment, we are focusing more on your hair scalp. On the hair conditioning treatment, we are focusing more on your hair length. And if at all we are talking about the chemical treatments like keratin and smoothing or permanent straightening, that will be on the hair length only. And one more fact about the keratin is like we all know what is hair or what is nail. It is a dead keratin. So keratin means, as I was telling you, that how we are cementing it. Similarly, we are cementing keratin to the keratin. So whatever keratin is being missed or lost from your hair length, with the help of a keratin treatment, it is given back to your hair, and with the help of ironing, we are sealing it into your hair scalp. That's the reason I say sulfate-free shampoo. It's not eating onto the product, and then you have a result for longer period. So after a few washes, it goes away, it washes off. No harm repeating the treatment again after 4 or 5 months of the previous sitting you have got done, right? So Imran, am I audible to you?
Yeah. So
could you suggest the conditioning treatments that we offer at our center?
if there is a problem of dryness and frizziness in the hair.
Sorry, guys. Imran, if you can just come into the frame, you're not visible.
So if she's having a dry and frizzy hair, so you can go for EKS reconstruct treatment.
Sir, could you please repeat that? I'll note it down.
EKS reconstruct treatment.
Okay.
So England, Kenya, Singapore, EKS.
Right.
So what are the specifics of this treatment? What happens in this treatment?
नाम से ही पता चल रहा होगा, it's reconstruct. जैसे कि मोनिका ने बताया कि we are losing ceramides lipids. हम लोग वो लूज कर देते हैं because we are doing chemically and mechanically. Chemically means आप अगर हम कलर करते हैं, स्ट्रेटनिंग करते हैं, कुछ भी करते हैं, it's called chemically sensitization. Mechanically हम उसको बोलते हैं, जैसे कि मैं अभी कर रहा था, blow dry कर रहा हूँ, टॉन्ग कर रहा हूँ, it's called mechanical sensitization for the hair. तो इस केस के अंदर वी आर लूजिंग सेरेमिक लिपिड्स. सेरेमिक लिपिड्स इज बेसिकली अ फैटी एसिड ऑन दी हेयर, जिससे कि आपके बाल के अंदर लस्टर एंड शाइन आता है. तो वो धीरे धीरे जाने लगता है बालों के अंदर, तो इस वजह से विजुअली और हाथ लगाने पे योर हेयर बिकम टू ड्राई, राइट. तो उसके अंदर रिकंस्ट्रक्ट फॉर्मुलेशन होता है, जिसकी वजह से जो सेरामाइड्स लिपिड्स होते हैं वो वापस रिकंस्ट्रक्ट होने लगते हैं, बनने लगते हैं, और योर हेयर बिकम स्मूदर, शाइनर एंड कंट्रोल योर फिजनेस.
I'll definitely invest in this because that's exactly my problem. Like I'm losing the luster due to constant styling and bar wash करने की वजह से भी that glow that should be there that goes
वॉश करने की वजह से कभी भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी इफ यू आर यूजिंग अ राइट शैम्पू एंड राइट कंडीशनर अकॉर्डिंग टू योर हेयर. ठीक है, अगर आप डेली भी वॉश करते हो इट डजंट मैटर, आप डेली वॉश करो नो प्रॉब्लम, बट यू आर यूजिंग अ राइट शैम्पू एंड राइट कंडीशनर एंड राइट हीट प्रोटेक्टर और सेरम. ओके.
Imran,
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
describe the looks now that you're creating.
Yeah. So मैंने पहले बालों के अंदर वेव करा था. वेव करने के बाद मैंने from this part I create a braid, very easy normal twist braid, और सेम मैंने इधर से लिया है, सेम दोनों साइड से 2 ब्रेड, लीविंग फ्रॉम द हेयर लाइन. ये हेयर लाइन को छोड़ के, हेयर लाइन को ब्रेड में नहीं लेना है, हेयर लाइन छोड़ देंगे. ठीक है, यहां से पोर्शन लेके इसको मैंने ब्रेड करा, और इधर का टॉप का पोर्शन लेके मैंने इसको ब्रेड करा. ब्रेड करने के बाद इसको नीचे रबर बैंड लगा दिया ताकि ये ओपन ना हो. देन मैं इसके अंदर से आई एम ओपनिंग दिस थिंग एंड मैं इसके अंदर से ये दूसरे वाला ब्रेड निकाल दूंगा. ओके. अब इसको यहाँ पे होल्ड कराऊंगा विद द हेल्प ऑफ बॉबी पिन. Especially when you do any kind of a styling done with the help of pens, any kind of pen, it is U pin or bobby pin, आपका पिन विजिबल नहीं होना चाहिए. इट्स नॉट लुक प्रोफेशनल एट ऑल, राइट. मैंने पिन करा, मेरा पिन नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. गॉट इट. तो जब भी आप पिन करें बॉबी पिन को, यू कैन ओपन दी टिप ऑफ द पेन, hold the hair, go inside and it is not shown. Got it?
Riju, just take a snapshot.
ये सर यार ये हमारे मतलब में बनाना है. After pin up this both braids together, we can open the rubber band. Just pull it out. Be careful, बाल नहीं तोड़ना. So this is your final look. With less of, there is only turn on the hair, right? There is no curl, right? Finally, we can spray at least minimum 9 inches from the scalp.
Imran, does this hairstyle have a look or a particular name?
This is called top knot, top braid knot.
Okay, so can you just say that this is the entire finished look of the top braid knot?
This is the final look of the top braid knot.
Can you also say this, that this is the final look of the top braid knot that you can get at the VLCC center? And if you can just stay where you are right now and say that without any movement, please. Imran, can I have you in the frame, please?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, can you just be in the, can you push yourself a little behind? And I want you like in the frame. Yeah. And if you can just say what I just said, if you can say that, so here is the finished look of the top braid, what is it called? Top braid?
Top braid knot. This is the finish and final look of top braid knot. Whenever we do any kind of a top braid knot on the hair, we do just a bit wave. बालों में सिर्फ turn देना है, curl नहीं करना है first, and then both side twisted braid और उसको इधर पिन अप करके नीचे से ओपन कर देना है. एक चीज का बस इसमें ध्यान रखना होगा कि प्लीज कोई पिन शो नहीं होनी चाहिए. एनी पिन, बॉबी पिन, यू पिन, आप जो भी पिन यूज करोगे वो पिन शो नहीं होनी चाहिए. जैसे कि मेरे किसी में कहीं पर भी शो नहीं हो रहा है पिन.
You can also say one more thing. अगर आप ये look try करना चाहते हैं, then you can always drop in at the VLCC center. Please say this while you're standing there only, and I want the look to be facing the camera. So can you please turn your model back again in the same position? Yes, and if you can just go slightly behind where you were, yeah, that's it. And if you can just say the same line for me, what I just said. Please do mention VLCC center.
If you want this look, so you can come on the VLCC any center wherever you stay. So उधर जाके you can go just set that कि I want a top braid knot look. So all the people knows in the VLCC center वो आपको exactly same look ये बना के दे देंगे.
Cool, thank you. Riju, over to you. Do you want to take a photo?
Yeah, a picture
Imran, the
of the
frame,
screen
yeah,
with
just there.
Imran. Yeah. Imran, if you can just stay where you are. No. I need you in the frame. Good. Just hold on. Imran, just look into the camera. Yes. And ma'am, you can just have a smile on your face. Okay. Yeah, this one is better. Just give me 1 second here.
Take this frame.
Yeah, and with the same thing, I'll just take a screenshot of the grid. Okay, girls, so all of you just have a bright smile on your face.
Okay,
Okay.
over to you, Monica.
Thank you so very much, Imran. The tips that you gave and the style you showed were really amazing. And I think, this one I'm definitely going to be trying for myself as well. And I would want to say thanks to all you lovely ladies over there. You are divas and you are winners already. I'm again and again saying that. And, I would look forward to meeting you in person soon at VLCC Institute or any of the VLCC center. And I hope, the best one win and may the best one represent VLCC Femina Miss India globally. Thank you so very much.
Thank you
Sesha,
so
over
much.
to you.
Ma'am.